Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Aaron. Obviously I'm Aaron, welcome. Can I say that any faster? I will try sometime. One day I will. One day I will. If you want to learn how to recreate this makeup look, even though this eyelash is playing up today, my Magic Gun Lash, please keep watching and I will get you through to the video. Don't forget to like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and go and check out my website. All links will be in the description. Don't check out Twitter because I don't use it. Anyway, have fun, see you soon, and let's get through to the video. So base out your eyes again. I'm going to take the green shade from the Hypnotic Sparkle, which is here. And I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush for that, just to drag it up. That's going to go on the centre of the lid, well, on all over the mobile lid. And then with a separate clean blending brush, this one is quite a large one for Makeup Revolution actually. I'll use the one that's pre-stained green. Stained already. It's not got no product on it or anything, but it's stained. And I'm just going to diffuse that outer line, like so. Now obviously I've got fallout, but that's fine. Which is fine, darling. Then I'm going to take a medium shade brown and help to start darkening in around that. And then diffuse the green up onto that. And now what that's going to do is help create a blend. And just really blend that in. And then I'm just going to take a yellow shade from the Redemption palette, just to blend that top bit out a bit more. So just keep blending until you have a nice gradient. And all I am doing is I'm going backwards and forth from the black and the green for now. And then we're going to move on to like winged eyeliner because I haven't done wings for ages and I'm having withdrawal symptoms, okay? So I'm going with green winged eyeliner today. Just going to go down a bit, so I need you to come down with me. Like that. And then I'm going to go and apply some mascara. Now obviously I'm going to use the 3D Effect mascara from Lacura. So that's the eyes almost done. So what I'm going to do now is do my eyebrows, okay? Now for that I'm going to use obviously the Collections Brow Kit in Brunette. Then I'm going to get a spoolie brush, which I always use, which is why it looks so battered and tatty. And just brush that through the brow hairs just to help diffuse it, like so. So now I'm going to go and do my face off camera and then I'll be back with you. Okay, so now I am going to go on to doing my waterline. Obviously I'm going to use the black Spectre Lash. Sorry, I went down and I didn't take you with me. So I said it wrong. It's the Super Shock Gel Eyeliner Pencil in the colour black. Obviously, like my soul. It's quite a nice look, I think. Now, I'm going to use the green colour, and that's all the colour I'm going to use on the bottom of the lash. And that's going to literally go here. And that is all I'm going to use on the bottom. I don't want to use it too dark. I do want that colour payoff. So the way I find this works is you look up. Let me go this side. Look up and you just apply it quite gently, just like that, which looks quite decent to me actually. So then I'm going to take a small lip brush, and in this palette you've got a cream shade, okay, so I'm going to just use that. Basically I'm going to apply that here just add that kind of inner line sparkle and just drag that over to where the green is. And basically it blends together and it looks like that. And that is all I'm going to do with the bottom lash line. Normally I will blow it out of proportion, but I'm not going to today. I am going to use the 125 Eyelure lashes from Nadine. Once they're all dried in place, you can then go over it with like eyeliner and stuff like that, just to match them all in properly. So I'm going to attempt a brown lip because I haven't done one in ages. Now the sad thing is I actually do have a bigger pencil. Just didn't get it out. Okay, so I'm going to use the Freedom Pro Lipstick in Dusk Till Dawn. And I'm going to take a small lip brush just to help me out. Like that. And obviously I need to make it darker because this is just too much colour. Just way too much. So I'm going to clean off that makeup lipstick colour. And I'm going to use the Super Sharp Gel Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm just going to go around the outer edges with it. And what this will do is promote an outline, and it will also make it darker and more prominent. You can now blend it down onto the lip and kind of diffuse it a bit. And that way you've got a different shade of lip. And I am proud of myself for that because I have not done that in ages. Anyway, so now I'm going to go back to doing my mascara and putting the lashes all in line. Like so, and then we're going to add some highlights. No blush today, but highlight. Obviously, always highlight. And this is Unicorn highlighter, obviously. And I'm going to take a studio corner angle brush, not a corner brush. And now I'm going to go and apply a wig, and then come back and show you. So yeah, that's me with the wig on. I didn't put any accessories on because it's just too fucking hot in this room. If you like this video and this makeup look, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make new videos every week. Also go and check out my Instagram, Facebook and my website. All links will be down in the description for them. And I'll also put links in all the makeup I'm wearing if I can find links. And also to the brushes and all that etc. stuff. Lighting is a ring light and a box light. And camera is a 1200D EOS Canon camera. Anyway, have fun, see you soon, and enjoy makeup. And I hope you've had a very good Christmas. See you soon.